In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save a file as an EPS file from Adobe Illustrator. So I'm starting with a vector SVG file. You can see at the top left, it says SVG as the file name, and I can tell it's a vector graphic because if I click in here, I have individual color blocks and color layers here. So an EPS is a vector file format, so you will want your file to be in vector before you export an EPS. So go to File, Save As, and in the format on the bottom, it's currently SVG. We're going to change it to EPS. So change the file name here. If you have more than one artboard, you can select Use Artboards and you can put in a range of artboards you'd like to export. Now click Save. And now I have a vector EPS file exported. So that's how you export an EPS file from Adobe Illustrator. If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Crye Studio for more Illustrator and graphic design tutorials. Thanks so much.